Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you step by step how to clear cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge. Now, you might be wondering, why should you clear cache and cookies? Over time, your browser stores temporary files, images, and website data. This can make browsing faster, but if the cache builds up, it can also cause problems like slow performance, website not loading correctly, or login issues. Clearing cache and cookies give your browser a fresh start, fixes many common errors, and helps protect your privacy. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. Then go to the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. From here, select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy, Search and Service. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Clear Browsing Data and click on Choose what to clear. Here, you will see a list of options to clear cache and cookies. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data, cached images and files. You can also choose the time range, for example, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, all time. If you want a full cleanup, select all time. I will go with last hour. Once you have selected what you want, click the Clear Now button. Edge will remove the cache and cookies within seconds. And that's it. You have successfully cleared cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge. This will free up space, speed up your browser, and fix many browsing issues. Remember, clearing cookies may log you out of some websites, but it's worth it if your browser feels slow or buggy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs a quick browser fix. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.